consciousness. Today we're going to discuss, consciousness. What is consciousness? What is existence? What is experience? What is awareness? What is awareness? What is awareness? What is awakening? What is enlightenment? What is gang-stalking? What is targeted in? What is awareness? What is awakening? What is enlightenment? What is the correlation? What is the coordinates? What is the disparity? Is there a dichotomy between awareness, awakening, and enlightenment? Or are they like a chain tandem of sequential events that occur in different order? Which precedes the other? Does awareness precedes